Oh, dude, come on. Oh, it's so good. What's inside of that?
Welcome to another episode of Texas Coastal Construction. My name is Jason. We are in my backyard barbecue, and today we are going to make one of my favorites, Texas Twinkies. All right, so we're here with Justin and my son Matthew. So Justin, what did you think of your first Twinkie?
I want all of them. I don't know why they're still sitting here. I want to eat every single one. It was really good. Y'all are missing out.
Yeah, so all right, so we have 3 different kinds here, and I want to see, now that he had a baseline, if we can tell the difference between the 3. So the first one it was the one that had our jalapeno cheddar sausage. All right, so let's go ahead and grab one. What do you think? So this is the jalapeno cheddar sausage.
Let's do it. Come on. That's really good. Oh my goodness. That makes you want to slap your grandma.
Oh man.
I don't even know what that means.
The ultimate Sunday afternoon tailgate food, no doubt.
I'm telling you, listener land, y'all are missing out right now. I wish that you could pull up a chair right now and have the rest of these with us. That's so good. Man.
So the next one, this one is just a sweet Italian sausage. So I want to see if we can taste the difference between the sweet Italian and the cheddar jalapeno.
Now, are your feelings going to be hurt if I can't tell?
I don't care. I just want to know which one's the best.
All right, here we go. Let's try it. Man. Oh, it's really good. What do you think?
I think this is a lot better than the other one.
You like the sweet Italian? See, I like the cheddar jalapeno better.
I think I just like all of them.
Yeah, they are good.
I can't lie. I think that the taste of this one is a little more subtle, whereas the one we just had was a bit more of a flavor.
Yeah.
You could definitely tell, like, man, there's a lot of flavors exploding in your mouth right now. I think that if you want more of a safe pick, you go with this one because it's kind of a flavor you'd expect.
Right.
When you know that it's filled with the meat,
Right.
It's got the bacon wrapped around. This is probably more true to a flavor you expect. But the other one, I would say I prefer more because I like the out there kind of taste.
I think I'm with you.
Sorry, bro.
So now this one actually happened by accident. This one I use. So I'm interested, and this has the regular sweet Italian sausage. So I'm interested with the anything different.
As our student ministry kids would say, chat, are we cooked?
All right, go ahead.
Crazy.
Here's my
All right.
Yep.
All right, cheers.
Dink it. Dink it and sink it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. What's
Oh
that?
man.
Oh Woo! This is good.
Use everyone. Use maple. Oh, they're so much better.
I don't know. I think I
the
could.
griddle.
I was gonna say you could eat this for breakfast,
Yeah.
for lunch, for
Oh
dinner.
man.
You just eat this all the time. I mean, dude, how can you go wrong with this?
Oh,
good.
you have to use the. It makes such a huge difference. Would you agree with that?
I don't think I want to eat anything else in my life right now.
Oh, these are so good. These are so good.
So good.
You're going to want to make sure you stick around to the very end of the video because we had a taste test with 3 different kinds. One just happened out of chance, and it was a major, major surprise. So if you want the best possible Texas Twinkie, you need to stick around to the end to find out how we did it. So let's get started. Here's the ingredients we're going to need. Cream cheese, thawed, 1 block. Sharp cheddar cheese. Manicotti noodles. Sausage. Bacon. Ground beef. Hatch green chilies. Your favorite rub. Gloves. Your favorite glaze. So to make our Texas Twinkies, the first thing you need is a large mixing bowl. And the ingredients that I'm giving you is usually enough to make perfect amount for 1 box of manicotti noodles. So So the first step is you want to put a whole block of cream cheese into your mixing bowl. Then you want to add 4 ounces or 1 cup or half of an 8-ounce bag of sharp cheddar cheese. The next step is you want to add some ground beef. Now this is important. You want the 93.7. You want the leanest type of ground beef possible. That way all that fat doesn't get into your food. So this is about 1.2 pounds. So we're just going to use half of this container. The next is you want to add in 1 container of Hatch green chilies. So the next step is you're going to add your sausage. We're actually going to make 2 different types here today. One is going to be using jalapeno cheddar sausage. The other is going to be using sweet Italian sausage. So for the sausage, you want to take 2 links and remove the exterior casing and then put it into the bowl. Do this for both links. Now in the bowl, we want to mix everything together so that it's well mixed up. This is why you need gloves. Okay, so now you take your manicotti noodle and then you just gently stuff the creamy goodness into the noodle, being careful not to break it. And you just do this for every noodle. I've tried pipettes, I've tried all kind of stuff. There's no easy way to do this. Just kind of put it in from each side. Just make sure you get them good and full and you stuff it through. Okay, so we got all of our manicotti noodle stuff. You see, I had to change my gloves. They got nasty. Now we're going to take each noodle and we're going to wrap it in bacon. It's important you don't want thick cut bacon because the bacon won't cook all the way through if you get the thick cut. Just stick with the regular thin cut bacon. And then you do this with each and every noodle. Okay, so we got all of our Twinkies wrapped in bacon. The next step is we want to season them with your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using the Meat Church Barbecue Honey Hog Barbecue. This stuff it's local here in Texas. I'll put a link to their website down below. They ship all over. It's a sweet, salty. This stuff is excellent. So the key is to make sure you get both sides of your Twinkies. Okay, so we got both sides seasoned. Now we're going to wrap them in aluminum foil because you can use wax paper, you can use anything. We have to let these rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. They can go overnight if you want, that's fine. But we need to soften that hard manicotti shell. That's the reason why we have to let them rest. Anyway, so they are off to the fridge, and now we're going to repeat that exact same process, except this time we're going to use sweet Italian sausage. I'm actually excited for this because I've only ever used sweet Italian, but when I was buying the ingredients, I saw the jalapeno cheddar, and a little light bulb just went off. So we're going to try each one, and we're going to see if there's a difference between them. So it's actually the next day. We had a rainstorm come in overnight. So my Twinkies have been in the fridge all night. I got my Traeger preheated to 325 for an internal temperature of 300, and we're going to cook our Twinkies for 60 minutes. Well, 60 to 75 minutes. And I'm using a maple cherry hickory blend pellet. I recommend using a lighter wood like a hickory or a cherry. You can use oak, but I wouldn't go any heavier than that. Like a mesquite would be way too much. So let's get them on the Traeger. So it's been about 30 minutes, so we need to rotate our Twinkies. They're looking good. So it's been about an hour, and now we're going to hit them with this glaze. This is a charred peach bourbon sauce that I got from my local H-E-B. You can use any glaze that you like, but this just adds a really nice sweetness. Do your best to coat all around as best as you can. All right, we're going to close it up and we're going to let them cook for another 15-20 minutes or so. Well, so there you have it. I mean, if you want a standard flavor, go with the Italian sausage. You want more of a robust flavor, you want what the cheddar jalapeno sausage works good. But either way, you want to use maple cured bacon. That happened completely by accident. I literally just had some leftover in there and I ran out of bacon. It was so much better than the other two. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you would leave a comment, I would really appreciate it. That way we can boost the algorithm. But I want to know what your thoughts are. I want people to try it and let me know what your honest opinions are of our Texas Twinkies. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Texas Coastal Construction. Y'all have a blessed day.